A sophisticated covered outdoor kitchen and dining patio with a stainless grill, reclaimed wood table, woven chairs, warm pendant lights, lounge seating, and a lush lawn. A modern luxury outdoor kitchen beneath a covered patio, with stone counters, a premium grill, wooden dining table, woven chairs, warm lighting, and green lawn. An elegant backyard covered patio with a full outdoor kitchen, premium grill, wood table, woven seating, soft lights, cozy sofas, and a manicured lawn with flowering shrubs. A stylish covered patio with a contemporary outdoor kitchen, stainless grill, rustic dining table, woven rattan chairs, warm lantern lights, seating nook, and green lawn. A high-end outdoor entertaining space with a covered kitchen, polished grill island, wood dining table, woven chairs, pendant lights, cushioned seating, and pristine lawn. A serene luxury outdoor kitchen and covered dining patio with a built-in grill, sleek cabinets, timber table, woven chairs, golden lights, lounge seating, and green lawn. A resort-style covered outdoor patio with a gourmet kitchen, stainless grill, oversized wood table, woven chairs, elegant lights, cozy seating, and manicured backyard greenery. A contemporary covered patio with an upscale outdoor kitchen, stone backsplash, built-in grill, wood table, woven chairs, warm lighting, sectional seating, and lush lawn. A beautifully designed outdoor kitchen and dining patio under cover, with a luxury grill station, wood table, woven chairs, pendant lights, lounge seating, and landscaped lawn. A refined backyard oasis with a covered outdoor kitchen and dining area, modern grill, farmhouse wood table, woven chairs, amber lighting, cushioned seating, and green lawn. A chic covered patio with a premium outdoor kitchen, stainless grill, elegant wood table, wicker chairs, warm hanging lights, relaxed seating, and vibrant lawn with mature trees. A luxurious alfresco kitchen and dining patio under covered roof, with built-in grill, spacious wood table, woven chairs, pendant lighting, upholstered seating, and lush lawn. A modern backyard covered patio with a designer outdoor kitchen, built-in grill, long wood table, woven chairs, decorative lighting, lounge area, and manicured lawn. An inviting covered outdoor dining and kitchen space with a contemporary grill, natural wood table, woven seating, warm hanging lights, cushioned sofas, and green lawn. A polished luxury outdoor kitchen and covered patio dining area with a stainless grill, extended wood table, woven chairs, pendant lights, elegant seating, and manicured lawn.